Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you my favorite recipe for cookies, and today I'm gonna make them chocolate chip. For this recipe I'm going to use 1 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1 cup of light brown sugar, half a cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of old-fashioned oats, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 cup of white chocolate chips, and 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. In the bowl of a stand mixer, add the butter, white and light brown sugar, and with the paddle attachment, let it mix for about 3 minutes. While the butter and sugar are creaming, mix the flour, oats, cinnamon, baking soda, and salt. Give it a quick mix and set aside. After 3 minutes, the butter and sugar should be nicely creamed together. Just give a quick scrape to the bowl and then add 1 egg at a time, letting it mix for about 15 seconds. Then add the next egg, give it another quick scrape to the bowl, and then add the vanilla extract. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients, so I'm gonna add half the mixture, let it run at slow speed, and then add the other half and let the mixer go for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, no more than that. And then add the chocolate chips or the toppings of your choice and let it run again for about 15 to 30 seconds, and the dough is ready. In a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or a silicone mat, portion out your cookies. I am using a cookie scoop, but you can also use a tablespoon. With this measurement, I got 4 dozen cookies. Once you have used up all your dough, put the trays in the freezer and let them freeze for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, preheat the oven to 325 degrees. Take the cookies out of the freezer, and if you are not going to bake them all now, you can just transfer some into a Ziploc bag and keep them frozen until you're ready to bake them. You can bake these directly from the freezer, just keep them in the oven for an extra minute or 2. I then rearranged my cookies to 12 cookies per sheet, kept them in the refrigerator until the oven came to temperature, and then baked them for 13 to 16 minutes until they were golden brown in the edges. Once they come out of the oven, let them rest in the pan for about 10 minutes and then transfer to a cooling rack to cool completely. These cookies are definitely our favorite. They are soft in the center but a little bit crisp on the edges. You can play around with the toppings like I said. Check out the description box. I've left a few suggestions, and if you have any leftover cookies, you can store them in an airtight container for up to 5 days. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.